Today we're bringing you groups of old CCCP postage stamps. Look how old some of these are. Wait till you get to the bottom ones. Alright, so here we have in color. Now this one here in color, because you got the green, the red, the brown and white. That went into extra printing for every color. Just think of that. Can you imagine all the work just to make this one stamp? A lot. Okay, and that's the 40. Then at the bottom you have 15. Kind of looking like a village with a trolley and everything all in there. Kind of neat. And then the other 15 that has a ship. Even has the smoke coming out. How's that, huh? Nice. Usually stamps that have ships and planes, they do pretty good. Alright, let me take you to the second group. Here's our second group. Now the first one, of course, is the plane. And that's a 1. And that comes right from the envelope itself. So it's not a stamp on top of the envelope, it's the envelope that has a stamp. Okay, and then in the bottom you have your 1 Kong. And then your 5 Kong. Now if you notice on that 5, the preparation is all around it. I have one in the last group that was when you used to cut the stamp out of a sheet of stamps. So you'll have to pay attention. The same thing as that one, only kind of looks a little skinnier to me. Maybe it's the same. Alright, let me take you to our third group. Look at that. First you get to see that first one. And look at all the extra printing it went for the color of the flag, for the building, for the sky, for the green and gold. Whew, really had to do a big job going through that. Okay, and then our 3 bottom ones on that one. Beautiful church, 4K. And the center one, look at that. A ship coming underneath the bridge with a plane in the sky. Very nice. Okay, and that last one is a 12. Now that one's rather interesting. I haven't seen much of anything on that one. Because you can see like it has a spaceship kind of in the background with the stars. About ready to take off to the moon. Alrighty. Okay, now this is our last group here. Now remember I told you to look for that 5 that is just cut out, which is that bottom one right down there, the brown one. Now on the top row you have your 1, your 3, beautiful ship, and another 3. Then you have a 10 in brown and white, and a 10 in orange and white. And then the more valuable is the bottom here, with this brown 5 that had to be cut from a sheet. Then your 25. Now that one has some value to it, as well as these next 3 here. Well, next 2 at least. So you have your 5 at the very beginning that had good value to it. Your 25, which was your second one at the bottom. Now the 30 has an overprint on it. And sometimes the overprint can be very valuable. So always pay attention to that, where the overprint is according to the country it comes from. Okay. And then we have our 60 in brown and a 60 in blue. Same portrait, just different colors. Alright. So maybe those are the ones that have your attention, is that bottom row. It does have some good attention, don't it? Oh yeah, you pay attention to stamps. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and by all means, share the video with other collectors, okay? Bye-bye now.